Hey, what's up you guys? It's your girl Jackie and I'm back with another video. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe. There's a picture in the corner of this video, either over here or over here. Just click that picture and you'll be able to subscribe to my channel. Then you can double tap the bell so that way you can get notifications every time I upload a video. Alright, so let's just get right into this. I created this gorgeous look using these amazing glitters. These glitters are just like, oh my god. So I did kind of go glitter crazy, but I'm sure we all appreciate that, right? Right. Okay, so I'm going to start off by applying my base, and the base that I'm going to be using is the Maybelline MasterConceal in the shade medium. I'm just going to go ahead and take a fluffy brush and just press the product into the skin. Okay, so for my transition, I'm going to be using a shade out of the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette, and it is the shade called Zulu. I'm just going to apply that with my Morphe 518 brush. And I'm just packing it into the crease until I get my desired shade. And I'm just going to kind of blend it out so that you don't see any harsh lines up here. And now I'm just going to take that same shade and just pack a little bit more into the crease to deepen the crease. And then I'm just going to blow it out once again. Okay. Alright, so now I'm going to take my Sedona Lace EB15 brush and I'm going into that same palette, and this shade that I'm using is Fulani. And I'm just going to focus that in my crease. I'm just going to go back in with that brush that I was just using, my Morphe 518 brush, with whatever product is left on it, and I'm just going to blend that edge out. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Sedona Lace EB9 brush and I'm going to spray my brush. And I'm going to go into the blue shade out of the Urban Decay Electric palette, and I believe the shade is called Chaos. I'm just going to go ahead and put my brush into that shade on both sides of the brush. Knock off any excess. Nope. Now, you guys know, if you have this palette, the colors in this palette, they're great, but it has like tremendous fallout. It's very messy. So that's why I did spray my brush. And you notice that I really don't have that issue anymore. So as you can see, as I'm applying the blue, I'm kind of going up a little further, just because I don't want to see any lines. I don't want it to be perfect. Now that we have that together, I'm going to go in with my Nye Glitter Glue, and I'm just going to paint that on my eyelid. And the glitter that I'm using is by JCats. It's called Rockin the Night. Now we have the eyes done. We're going to go ahead and move on to the face. I'm going to go ahead, and I did moisturize my face prior, so I'm going to go ahead and add my baby skin. I'm going in with my foundation. I'm using the Maybelline 24-hour SuperStay. Highlight under my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, and my chin. Alright, so to blend that out, I'm going to use my Morphe 504 brush. Just gonna add a little bit more concealer under my eyes. I feel like this is a little bit bright. I'm just gonna kind of tone it down a little bit. So now I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to contour with the Black Radiance True Color Foundation, and this is the shade, I believe it's either Nutmeg or Chocolate. I'm going to blend that out with my contour brush. This is like a dome brush. Now I'm just going to go back in before I set it with my setting powder. I'm just going to go back in and make sure everything is even and blend it out nicely. Okay, so I'm going into my Black Radiance setting powder. And I'm just going to press that in. Now I'm just going to go ahead and set my contour with my Black Radiance contour palette. And I'm going to use that same dome brush. Now I'm just going to go in with my MAC Mineralized. Okay, so now I'm just going to go ahead and spray my brush that I'm going to apply my brush. I'm going to spray my brush that I'm going to apply my blush with. And I'm going into that Milani Baked Bronzer. And I'm just going to apply that to my cheeks. Now I'm going into Apri-cot in the middle. So I'm going to go ahead and line my waterline. And I'm going to go smoke this out with the transition shade. Actually, the shade that I used in my crease. So I'm going to smoke it out with that. So I'm going to go ahead and set my face. And now I'm going to apply my highlighter. And I'm going to be using the Precious Petals highlighter by Wet n Wild. So I'm going to go ahead and apply my lashes and I will be right back. Okay, so I really feel like being a little extra and I think I'm going to apply some glitter on my lower lash line. Okay, so now I'm just going to line my lips with my Cork lip liner. Secret liquid color in the shade Innocence. And now I'm going to take my Wet n Wild, this is from the, I think it's like a Zodiac collection, and it is called Gemini, and this is the color Icon Lip Gloss. I'm just gonna apply it in the center. Super pretty. And now just a regular gloss, clear.